angry. A.
No, 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 no.
N.
G, g,
G. R.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Y.
Good job! Keep it up!
Angry. Angry means having a strong feeling against someone who has behaved badly, making you want to shout at them or hurt them. Airplane. A. I. R. P. L. A.
No, 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 no.
N.
Awesome!
Airplane. Airplane is a vehicle designed for air travel that has wings and one or more engines. Artistic. A. R. T. I. S. T. I. C.
Hooray! You got it!
Artistic. Someone who is artistic is good at drawing or painting or arranging things in a beautiful way. Archery. A. R. C. H. E. R.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Y.
Hooray! You got it!
Archery. Archery is a sport in which people shoot arrows at a target using a bow.